We are going to install Emus4u App on iPhones and iPads. If you didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it for more interesting iPhones news, reviews, jailbreaks and interesting tutorials. What is Emus4u for iPhone? Although Apple has its own App Store and its mostly apps are paid version, but there are some other third-party app stores which provide low cost and variety of apps and games to the Apple users. Emus4u is also a third-party unofficial app store which provides access to thousands of apps and games for You can also install App Valley, Tweakbox Apps, Hotrix, Pandahelp, 2 App and Cydia. These are the same apps like Emus4u for iPhone, but Emus4u is 14% faster than Tweakbox and almost 90% faster than Cydia, which is originally a jailbreak app store. If you have a 4G internet speed, then it will take only 50 seconds, average, to download the app. Now let's install Emus4u App on your iPhone and iPads. Follow these steps to properly install Emus4u App on iPads and iPhones. Step 1. Tap on Safari icon on your iPhone. Step 2. Type Emus4u download.org in the search and press go. Step 2. Type Emus4u download.org in the search and press go. Step 3. Tap on Install Emus4u icon on the page. Step 4. Choose Method 1 for iOS device and tap on Configuration Profile. Step 5. Tap on Allow to download the configuration profile. Step 6. Emus4u App profile is downloaded. Now tap on Close. Step 7. Go to Settings and tap on Profile Downloaded. Step 8. Tap on Install. Step 9. Enter passcode if any. Step 10. Again tap on Install. The profile will be installed within a few seconds. Tap on Done. Find the Emus4u app on the iPhone's desktop and tap on it. Here you can find the multiple apps which you are unable to find on Apple App Store. Choose and install the best one for your iPhone. Also, tell us in the comment section that which app you have installed and found better than the other apps.